Helen, what are you doing? Helen is feeding the birds, and I don't think this is good because looks like they're surrounding us. Like that one. It's coming closer. Helen is being very brave right now. Jonathan, I know you told us not to feed the birds. I'm not doing it. Helen is. They're just thinking her. She's not that far away. She's really close. It just looks like it's far. I'm trying to keep my distance because they're flying in. Okay, there's one coming. He's really loud. And he likes to caw. Where's he at on the camera? He's right there. There's one. He's flying in. He sees the food. And he's going for it. Oh my gosh. They're all surrounding our picnic table. Helen, do you see this? They're all by our campsite. Jonathan's gonna hurt us. Helen is feeding the birds. Helen's talking to the birds. Mine, 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 mine. That one has red on it. Hate licorice. Pretty funny. Walking. Waddle. I'm gonna try to go close to Helen. We're gonna see if I can get any closer. They might be scaring me. We'll see how close I can get. Okay, Helen, what are you doing?
Right now, I'm just feeding the birds.
Did Jonathan tell us not to?
Yes. Oh, wait, you're not going to show this to Jonathan, are you? We can't show this to Jonathan. Now I can't break the rules. I forgot that he told us not to feed the birds. They were surrounding us, and I wanted to go be wild and be one with the birds. Sorry, guys. Jonathan said not to feed you. I have to go back now. It was fun. Bye.
And there goes Helen, walking off. So Helen, now that you broke the rules, how do you feel as a leader?
I feel like I need to confess and get my taxation. But they're following me.
Oh my gosh.
Mom, can I keep them? They followed me home.
Now dear, yeah. I told you you couldn't have any more pets.
Yes. But they won't take up much room. They fly away.
And that was the freeway. And here's our campsite. That's where we eat. And that's where the boys sleep, way over there. And these are the girls' tents. And they're following me. Okay, well it was fun bird watching with you guys and watching us get attacked. We gotta go. Bye.